Hello, everybody out there in YouTube land, Facebook land, Never land, in the land of rubber band. Yeah, this is Chief. I'm gonna attempt to take this Land Cruiser fuel pump out of here with the frame and all, and then I'm gonna put it in the Ford van. I might be able to pull it off. I'm not sure how much of that pump I can use. I can probably use the pump itself and then fit it onto this frame. I'm not gonna spend $200, man. Ain't no way. Then I gotta jack this up and drop the fuel tank. That's what's up for now, right now. You know, I'll keep you guys up to date as we go. Today's kind of a hard day. Still wrestling with my back and stuff like that. So, you know, yeah, I'm not bulletproof. You know, I do what I can. Yeah, this is the project right now, Mom's van. I got a code. The fuel pump was out. There's a reset button back inside there. I don't know if you guys can see them.